Question 4 asks you to find roots of alpha square and beta square. Just a quick refresher for this topic itself. Sum of roots equals to negative b over a, product of root c over a. We'll quickly move ahead. So just quickly get the equations in. All you have to do from here is get basic sum of roots 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is equals to negative b over a. So b is minus 3, a is 7. So put simply, it's just 3 over 7. This is your first equation. 1 over alpha beta is equals to c over a, just 1 over 7. So from here, two major steps. One is to get to the sum of roots of alpha square and beta square. So this will serve as your first major step. Well, then the second step itself is to use the big equation where x squared minus sum of roots plus product of roots is equals to 0. So in this case, the sum of roots is what we found, alpha square plus beta square and alpha square beta square. So then from here you get your final answer itself. So now we do the details. What you realize is that you can, from 2 itself, you can very easily just straight away get your product alpha beta being 7. So from here 1 is the usual formula that we always use. Okay, let's give some space. 1 over, so beta over alpha. You try and make the denominator the same. This is a very common way of doing things. So quickly you get alpha plus beta over alpha beta is equals to 3 over 7. Since we got alpha beta already, you can straight away, okay, from you can see here, alpha beta. So you can easily start 7 inside to give you alpha plus beta over 7 is equal to 3 over 7. So very easily you get alpha plus beta is equals to 3. So this is one very huge step in itself. Just take note of these two values, alpha beta equals 7 and alpha sum is equals to 3. It would have been easier if the question asked for quadratic equation with roots alpha and beta. But in this case, they're asking something different. So we're supposed to get alpha square plus beta square, sum of new roots and product of new roots. So question comes, how do we get from this stage to this? Quite simply, it's just through practice you get very familiar with. Let's look at the top itself first. Okay, let's look at the bottom. The product is much easier to do because you just need to square it. So 7 square, you square this and square this, you can get it. You can just get alpha square beta square equals to 49. On the other hand, the sum of roots will actually be more challenging to find, to get from these two equations itself, right? So what you're very familiar with is alpha square beta square. not too sure. Actually, this is done by a bit of memory work. So I'm just going to do a quick shortcut here. Alpha square plus beta square. What you have here is alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. So what you want to do is to remove this value, and you can get this itself. So minus 2 alpha beta. But how do we minus 2 alpha beta? We just find it back to here itself. So all you have to do is simply get 3 square minus 2 of the product. So 9 minus 14, you get minus 5. Yeah, so your product of roots is this, sum of roots is this. All you need to do is put into a variable equation itself, x squared minus sum of roots x plus product of roots. So just a quick refresher, if it's here, x squared minus sum of roots x plus product equals to 0. Just remember this x, sometimes you forget about it, equals to 0. So in one very final step itself, well, I gotta squeeze. Okay, I'll just edit from here. X squared plus 5x plus 49 is equal to 0. And that's all for your answer for question